Hello everyone, my name is Hiroaki Okada. I'm talking about milking machines. The current operations in Japan, milk cows are fed at Thai store housing in about 90% of the country to 30,000 dairy farms. Uh, this This is 80 of Japanese raw milk produced here manually. So these are problems for labor intensive and inefficient. Look at the videos. This video shows the example of milking machine. The milking machines has mainly two benefits. One is significant labor saving. The other is the amount of milk is expected to increase by 7 to 15%. There are two types of milking machine. One is porous system. One robot services 4 milking stalls. The other is box system. One robot services 1 milking stall. But there are problems. These are possible in freestyle housing facility, but in Japan, they are not be able to use in Thai store housing because Japan's 19% are Thai store housing. So it is highly desirable to develop new technologies to labor saving and increase efficiency in Thai store housing. So Brain has tried to develop new technologies. This is the specification of Brain's new system. In conventional methods, all of the processes are manual, but prototype model can achieve the carrying milk units automatic, the 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 automatic, washing teeth and attaching teeth cap on manual. Look at the picture. This picture shows a prototype, the milking prototype processes. With the automatic system for carrying units, operating suspended from overhead rails installed to the Thai store housing. The automatic system carries a pair of milking units. The second the system automatically connects the milk program. The third, the operator goes to designated stall and cleans the teeth of two cows. The fourth, the teeth cap automatically released when milking finished. Fifth, the operator sanitizes the teeth manually. Sixth, once the completion of milking the cows is confirmed, the system automatically disconnects from the milk program pipeline. The last, the system automatically carries the milking unit to next pair of cows. The new milking system has two targets. One operator should be able to milk 50 cows per hour, and the cost should not exceed 600 yen. The result, work rated 20. The working rate using for automatic system is 50 to 56 cows, which is more than twice the work rate of 22 cows. The conclusion: the introduction of the automatic system for carrying units has achieved labor saving and increased efficiency. Thank you for listening.
Thank you. Are there any questions here in Kyoto?
So, in one of the target is not to exceed the 6 million yen, right? One of the target, but in the result you didn't mention about what is the current cost of the particular milking machine. So can you? But you say that in the conclusion you say that it's already achieved the target. So may I know how much the cost for the current brain machine or milking machine? What is the cost right now? Thank you.
Sorry. Sorry, this article did not cost.
During the milking using the robot, when you milk a cow manually, there's a tendency for the cow to kick. So when milking the cow with the robot, will there be kicking of the robot? Thank you.
Sorry, I cannot understand your need.
Okay. I didn't understand.
My question is, during the physical milking of the cow using the hands, the cow tends sometimes to kick through its leg. So when using the robot, could there be a time when the cow will kick and spoil the robot?
Sorry, I don't know.
Are there any more questions here? Okay. How about from Taiwan? Are there any questions?
Thank you for your presentation. I want to know how was the milking machine is work? Is by the human take the cow to the milking machine, or they go by themselves?
Please repeat that again.
How the milking machine they work is by the humans take the cow to the milking machine, or they go by themselves to the milking machine.
Does the robot move by itself, or does the human push the robot?
No, automatically. Human. So operator designated to start and robot automatically move.
Thank you for your presentation. May I ask a question about the how to apply the robot to the teeth of the cow? So the robot can search the position of teeth, or you still need manpower to manually apply the milk collector to the teeth of the cow? Did I mention my question one more time?
One more time.
Okay. So you need to you use robot to collect the milk, right? Some kind of milk collector. Do this robot collect the milk by what kind of mechanism? Like you still need manpower to apply the collector to the teeth of the cow, or they just do there automatically?
Maybe I can make it simple. How does the robot find the teeth? Is it by vision, or does the human put the cups on the teeth?
Attaching teeth caps or manual, human.
Human does.
Human.
Okay. So the human attaches the cups to the teeth. There is no image processing to find the teeth.
This is not the totally automatic, right? Have automatic.
Yes, it is semi-automatic. There is still some manual parts.
One more question about the conclusion. You only mentioned this machine is very good. Can I show any figure or the table to compare the difference? Is the difference significant enough to show good enough for the old method? Thank you.
When you were talking about the results, when you are milking manually, how many cows can you milk manually? In your slide, you showed manually they can do 22 cows.
Oh, yes.
And by robot, they can do 50 robots. Is that significant, different?
Oh, yes.
in one of the slides, there was a data showing that manual milking, they can do only 22 cows per hour. When they did it with the semi-automatic robot, they could do 50 cows per hour. So they are finding significantly different, improved work rate. Does that answer your question?
In your opinion, do you prefer the milk made from the milking machine, or do you prefer the milk made by hand? Because I think it will affect the quality of the milk. Which one do you like? I mean, because you talk about the milking machine, so do you prefer the milk made from the milking machine or by human hand?
Do you think there's any difference in taste between automatic robot milk and human milk?
No.
No change in taste.
Okay, thank you.